Hi, my name's Chad with Full Metal Beard, and we're going to be talking today about the Voodoo Tactical 42-inch Rifle Bag. This is the new Voodoo Tactical Bag that has the MOLLE locking gear on the exterior. It has 3 exterior pouches. They all have the small little pull string right here. Nice little AR mag pouches. All right, now on this inside of this bag, there's 2 soft pouches. Store all your handguns. Very firm, very soft. Able to store all your pistols, all your magazines in here. Great range bag. And that's the first pouch of this rifle. All right, the second compartment holds up to 2 42-inch rifles or shotguns. In the first compartment, I have an AR. Clear. Then in the second compartment, military locking Velcro. Keep it all safe. Keep it in one spot. Clear. And this right here is an awesome range bag. You got all the MOLLE locking gear on the front, the 2 pistol storage compartments in the first bag, and in the second compartment you can carry up to 2 rifles. I would say this is a perfect range bag for anybody to take to the range.